Guys, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Happy holidays. Let's go, Assad.
You have break. Left break.
Whoa! Oh my goodness. Assad, look what's going on over here. What are we going to do? Do you see all this? Assad, what are y'all going to do?
What's this?
Whoa, go along!
Mom and Assad from Santa.
Oh,
This is from Santa. I know.
How you going to open?
For you. Love mommy and daddy to Alam.
What?
It's me to It's you to me.
Yes.
More sneakers.
What? Oh.
Mommy didn't really want it. Daddy, look.
What? You got it. Jordan jersey. You've been waiting for this one. The official one. You got one too? Wow.
Oh, cool. Look.
Man, thank you, Sharon.
Oh,
Look at that. Let me see.
look.
Wow.
Jamaica.
She loves it. Assad, allow. Let me see you 360. 360. 360. Wet. Yeah. Allow. That's right, Assad. Let's go. Alarm, let's go. Shout out to Santa Claus and shout out to my beautiful wife. You did your thing, girl. Yo, Assad, you see it? The Caglish family. Christmas brunch. Chef Melissa called the team on. First of all, thank you for working on Christmas. That is like the biggest gift ever. We love you.
Merry Christmas.
So we got to